Hello guys, this is Touchmate 7-inch tablet PC. The high speed 1.2 GHz Cortex processor and 512 MB RAM, and the latest Android operating system. So let's check it out. Oh, nice, cool. It's being charged. Let's put it over on my Samsung laptop. There is one laptop and there is another. This menu book. USB cable, this dongle cable, this earphone. It is important. What is this? System information. Okay, leave it. Let's start it. Here is power button, earphones, and USB connector, charging, and this a volume, and another is for micro SD card made in PRC. Cool. Let's power on. Oh, nice. Starting. Okay, let's put it on its cover. Yeah, tablet cover. Here we go. Okay, now same like 7-inch laptop. Okay, you have to go back. You also give a place. Now let's start it. Unlock it. Camera, clarity, camera. Let's take a photo. Nice video. We got. What is this? Volume. Oh, zoom. Zoom. Here is zoom. Stop. Here go play. Not bad, but not good too. But it's okay. So cheap. Only 29 dinar. But I need dinar 29 dinar. Then what do we need more than it? Okay, here is the home page. Here is Skype, Facebook, Twitter, everything. Yahoo Messengers. Okay, so go menu. So many programs are already installed. Use photo gallery. Quite uploaded photo gallery. Where's our gallery? Here is gallery. Okay. Okay. Then let's start Skype. How does it work in Skype? Okay. Okay, it's connected. Viva. USB dongle. It's external to support it. Where is it? It's connection. No internet connection. Connect. Here we go. It's about to connect. Okay, connected. Okay, let's start Skype. See. Which I? Send to. Okay, let's type password here. Shit. Signing in Skype. Connected. Oh, there is option for video call. Call. Video call. Green call. Calling. Calling. Okay, let's sign it out. Okay, this is Touchmate Pro Tab 4 GB storage capacity and 1.2 GHz CPU processor and 512 MB RAM. So yeah, thanks for watching.